Good afternoon. We're taking a look at guncalendars.com, where we attempt to archive our daily firearms history. In this case, we're doing it weekly. Last year we attempted to do a video for each day of the year, and it's actually really difficult. So we're going to try doing it weekly this time. So this is the week of the 18th through the 24th. I guess depending on how you look at the dates, maybe the 19th through the 25th. In any case, this is the week that SHOT Show should have happened. Of course, NSSF decided not to do SHOT Show and not to relocate SHOT Show, but instead to, at the last minute, create a virtual version of SHOT Show that's happening right now. So let's see, we're going to look back at last week. We have another virtual event. Sheep Week happens each year in Reno. And that's the Bighorn Sheep Association or something that has a hunting exhibition each year in Reno. And the organization is out of Montana, but they have the Sheep Week where they get to do something like a mini version of SHOT Show that's focused on hunting and focused on sheep hunting, so mountain hunting. And that would have happened normally last week, but instead they went virtual this year, and it's over. We had the Antique Gun and Knife Show, which happens each year in Las Vegas, the longest running gun show in Vegas and Nevada, they say. That one was canceled. This year it would have been the week before SHOT Show. Normally it's the week after SHOT Show, or typically it's the week after SHOT Show. So that would have been a little interesting for us this year. Yesterday, the Sunday, was the anniversary in 1990 of the debut of the .40 Smith & Wesson that was debuted at SHOT Show one year. It's a fun story if you ever get to listen to it. Let's see, we had a passing of quite a few inventors last week. Arasaka, Mauser, Spencer, Smith from Smith & Wesson, as well as a couple of activists, H.L. Richardson and Neil Knox. The anniversary of all of their passings last week. We also had the anniversary of the 23 executive orders from Obama back in 2013. So let's look forward. Today is the 18th that I'm recording this. We have Virginia Citizens Defense League has their rolling for the 2A event today, and that's happening as we speak. It's also the anniversary of the birth of Robert Cottrol, a 2A activist and author was born today. Back in 1949. It's also Martin Luther King's holiday, Martin Luther King's birthday. So next we'll move on to the 20th, is when we created gun websites back in 2004. We have that in the calendar. We have the Militia Act, or the Dick Act of 1903. That's the national level act that created most of the state level rifle and pistol associations and the National Reserve. We have the Florida Firearms Industry Range Expo coming up this week. So the Fire Expo, Firearms Industry Range Expo is fire, so Florida Fire Expo. And that's a prison that was purchased from the government and turned into a shooting facility and exposition place. There's a whole bunch of interesting stuff happening at that facility, and look forward to seeing some reviews and stuff. They have a industry event where they're bringing a bunch of photographers and doing a version of normally what would be at SHOT Show's media day at the range, except for a couple of days in Florida. We have the anniversary of the passing of another firearms inventor, Collier, some old-fashioned flintlock inventor. And then we have the anniversary of Browning coming up on Saturday, the 23rd. Yeah, Saturday. So this week, I have that to look forward to, the birthday of Browning, the Florida Firearms Industry Range Expo, and the anniversary of the Militia Act of 1903, our national reserves, and a bunch of this national rifle, or the state level rifle associations. We have a couple other things coming up next month. You can get a copy of the calendar whenever you purchase something over at our Gear website store, and that's how we keep, one of the ways we stay in business, so we appreciate anybody who purchases stuff over at Gear websites. We also, you can jump over to guncalendars.com and check out any stuff in the calendar here or in the future there. We also have past events as well. So, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns. If you have something to add to the calendar, let us know as well. Until next time, thanks for watching.